Hi, I'm Juan from ButterflyMX. Whether you're interested in obtaining a not-for-resale intercom or already have one in hand, this overview is designed for you. In this video, I'll walk you through what the not-for-resale intercom is, the benefits it delivers, the key features you'll want to highlight when showing it to your clients, and finally, how to set it up. By the end, you'll be ready to confidently showcase ButterflyMX to your clients anytime, anywhere. The ButterflyMX Not-for-resale Intercom is a demonstration-only intercom that replicates the ButterflyMX experience without requiring an internet connection. This allows you to give your clients a similar experience to what they'd get if they installed our intercom, but without the hassle of connecting it to the internet. Now that you know what it is, let's look at why it's valuable for you and your clients. The Not-for-resale Intercom helps you demonstrate the system anywhere with no internet required, deliver a hands-on experience that feels like the real thing, show clients a similar experience to what their residents and visitors would use, and represent yourself professionally with a reliable demo anytime. With those benefits in mind, let's walk through the key features you'll want to highlight when presenting it to your clients. The Not-for-resale Intercom includes the essential ButterflyMX features so you can walk clients through the experience from start to finish. This gives them a complete picture of what their property will look like with ButterflyMX installed. Let's begin with the first thing everyone sees, the home screen. The home screen is clean and intuitive. It shows the building name, the live camera feed, and the main buttons for directory, delivery, visitor pass, leasing office, and PIN. When showing clients, point out how easy it is to understand at a glance and how visitors instantly know how to navigate it. From there, the first feature most people use is the directory. The directory is preloaded with 20 tenant names designed for demonstration purposes. In demo mode, the call behaves realistically. When you tap any tenant's call button, the system rings for about 5 seconds, then you must manually hang up. You can also demonstrate how text messages are sent. For example, after a call ends, you can show how a quick message like, "I'll meet you at the lobby," or "Package is here," can be sent directly through the system. Clicking the leasing office at the home page plays a pre-recorded message simulating a typical property office interaction. If no one is available to pick up, the message explains the next steps, and the call immediately ends when the message finishes. This shows clients how the system handles visitor interactions, including communications with the leasing office, professionally and realistically. And of course, it's not just the guest who needs access. Deliveries are also just as important, so let's take a look at how that works. Carriers can enter any 4 to 6 digit delivery PIN except for 4 zeros. The intercom will respond with a clear door unlock confirmation. If 4 zeros are entered, the system will trigger the invalid PIN model shown in this video, which you can also demonstrate. This shows clients how easy and secure package deliveries are with ButterflyMX. From this screen, you could also click the search directory link to display the tenant directory where the same 20 tenants are available for calls. This demonstrates how visitors or carriers can quickly find the contact residents, all from one interface. Next, let's talk about guests and how visitor passes make their entry simple but secure. Tenants can send their visitors digital passes for temporary access. You can demo this by scanning QR codes to show how the system reacts to a valid and invalid pass. The demo QR codes can be downloaded from the user guide, which is available in the Installer Resources section of our website. Please reference that guide when preparing your demo. In addition, there's an option to enter a visitor pass PIN, similar to the delivery PIN screen. Any 4 to 6 digit code can be used, except for 4 zeros, which would trigger the invalid PIN model. This lets clients see how visitors can gain access either via a digital pass or a PIN, offering flexible and secure entry options. Residents, on the other hand, can enjoy even more convenience by unlocking doors directly from their phone. In this environment, you can show mobile app integration by double tapping anywhere on the video. After a 3-second delay, which can be adjusted to your preference, the video will display door unlocked. This simulates the real user experience of opening doors from a smartphone. You can also demonstrate touchless entry. Any NFC-enabled smartphone, which includes new iPhones and most Android devices, triggers a response. Any RFID key fob works as well. This allows you to show clients the convenience of mobile access and the modern, hygienic, touchless entry options available with ButterflyMX. The Not-for-resale Intercom includes a dedicated ADA button. When pressed, it provides voice prompts and connects visitors to the receptionist, which eventually gets transferred to the leasing office. Let's listen to how it sounds in real time.
Hello. Welcome to the ButterflyMX Intercom. Now calling the receptionist.
This lets you show clients how the system ensures accessibility for everyone and meets compliance requirements. Finally, let's review how to set up the demo unit so you can start presenting it right away. Setting up the Not-for-resale Intercom is simple and straightforward. Here's how it works. First, plug in your intercom and make sure it powers on. Then, connect it to the internet using a Cat5 or a Cat6 cable. Next, you'll need the serial number. To find it, double-click the ButterflyMX logo on the bottom right corner of the screen and scroll down. Once you have the serial number, give ButterflyMX support a call at 800-398-4416, extension 2. Let them know you'd like the intercom to be placed in demo mode and provide the serial number. Support will confirm the device is online and will enable the demo mode remotely. During this process, the intercom will restart. The screen will go black for a moment, then display the purple ButterflyMX logo and background. This shows that the demo intercom software is being installed, which only takes about 2 minutes. After installation, your demo intercom is fully functional. You can use it offline for client presentations with all the features listed in the demo intercom user guide. And that's it. Once setup is complete, you're ready to give clients a clear, hands-on experience with the intercom. That concludes the overview of the ButterflyMX Intercom, its benefits, key features, and setup. For any questions or additional support, visit help.butterflymx.com and reach out to our team. Thanks for watching.